Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. was born on January 15, 1929 in Atlanta, Georgia. His father, Martin Luther King Sr., was a Baptist minister, and his mother, Alberta Williams King, was a teacher from a young age. Martin was exposed to injustices of racism and segregation. As a young man, Martin became involved in the civil rights movement, leading protests and advocating for non-violent resistance. He said, "I have a dream that one day this nation will rise up and live out the true meaning of its creed. We hold this truth to be self-evident, that all men are created equal." Dr. King's leadership in the civil rights movement was instrumental in achieving significant milestones, including the Montgomery Bus Boycott, the March on Washington, and the Selma to Montgomery marches. He was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 1964 for his non-violent resistance to racial inequality. Dr. King said, "Non-violence is not a garment to be put on and off at will. Its seat is in the heart, and it must be an inseparable part of our being." Tragically, Dr. King's life was cut short when he was assassinated April 4, 1968 in Memphis, Tennessee. But his legacy lives on, inspiring generations to continue the fight for justice and equality. As Dr. King said, "Darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that. Hate cannot drive out hate. Only love can do that." His courage and conviction continue to inspire us today to strive for a world where all people are treated with dignity and respect. May the soul of Martin Luther King rest in peace.
So Martin Luther King, and as a person who, for a lot of people have actually read about him or have seen some clips about him, you discover that he was a man that actually saw the future. He once said, "I have a dream that one day that this nation will rise up and live out to the true meaning of its creed." You know, he saw the future. He saw that one day that everyone, either you're black or white, you'll be able to sit down together, eat together, do things together. Even black will one day become the leader of that country. And it happened. We all know how Barack Obama emerged as the first black American president. And it happened. So Martin Luther King was the kind of person that saw the future. He was one of those people that fought for the liberation. He fought for the blacks. He fought for emancipation. And that's what we're enjoying today. And we'll always remember him. So, my brother, what are you doing? Fight for what you believe in. Fight for humankind. Fight for your brothers. And let everybody be liberated from this chain, from this bondage.